Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I go shopping at Homegoods, and I'm probably going to hit several Homegoods today. So if you like what Homegoods and home decor stores have to offer, you like just looking at what's new in the stores, then just keep watching and be sure to stay to the end because I will be sharing a haul, and the haul is going to be for some items that are picked up from Homegoods, also Ross and ZGallerie. So stick around to the end. Enjoy.
end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where.
Alright, so I'm back at home now, and I have a very small haul to share with you. And the first thing I'm going to share is this lamp. When I saw this lamp, I just thought it was so pretty. And funny story about it, I saw it at the store, and I said, I don't think my daughter-in-law would like it. I just didn't know that she would, and so I didn't get it. And so then I came home later that day. She FaceTimed me, and she was at Homegoods, and so I said, hey, go back to the back of the store where the lamps are. And I told her, you know, where it was on the shelf. And when she saw it, she just gasped. She was like, oh, I love it. So I was like, yes. So she got 2 of them, and these are by Decor. And what I like about them is the whole lamp lights up, like this whole thing down here, because it's like a night lamp too. So these are really, really cool, and they really match with their living room or their kitchen, basically, because they have like that marble type of backsplash. This matches perfectly, and it's an open floor plan, so it just kind of blows in. So I got that, and I'll show you what it looks like with the shade on it. I think they're going to go with the darker shade. The next thing I got is for my home. So for the fall season, I'm gonna go very rustic. I'm gonna go with animal prints, that type of thing. So I saw this at Homegoods, and I thought this was perfect, like for a centerpiece with candles on them. I'm gonna do black candles. I can already see it. But this is what it's like. It's just very rustic and very different and unique, and that's what I like. So I'll glam it up a little bit with my candles, but yeah, this is a whole vibe for me. I really like it. And this was $29.99. The lamp was $79.99 each, and she picked up 2 of those. And then I got this bowl, okay, again, keeping with the same theme for the fall. This was $12.99, and it's just a rustic bowl that I'll use, you know, probably on the entryway table to grab keys or whatever, or maybe even for fruit on the counter. Not really sure yet what I'll do with it, but you'll definitely see this in the fall season. And again, this was $12.99. Now the next thing are these silverware, and these are so pretty. These are gold. They're very heavy too. They're gold and silver, which I love. I love mixing metals. They were $29.99 for Homegoods. And these are actually my daughter-in-law. She picked these up for her kitchen. So I just thought they were really nice. I love them. Even for myself, I love them. Okay, this is a mask structure that you can just sit on a table. This was actually in my last video, which was the living room clean and decorate with me. I couldn't wait to get it out there, so it's already got its home on a side table in my living room. But I just thought this was so unique. I just loved it, and it's like in that brass type color. This was made in India. It was $16.99. Now this piece was from Ross. And it's very nice. I just thought it was very unique with the cutout face and everything. Very Restoration Hardware-esque, I thought. So I really like that. Then the next item is from ZGallerie, and these are just some bowls, and they are gold on the outside, and then they has like that marbling look on the inside with the gold. I thought these were so beautiful, and I got a set of, I think it was a set of 6 in this box. I'm not going to take them all out, but aren't those gorgeous? And then this is also from Homegoods, and they only had one. Very bummed about that. I love the shape of this. It's like porcelain, and this was on the clearance for $3.50, but they only had one. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for the rest of this set in the other Homegoods. But look at the shape of that. I just think that was so nice. And for the price, you can't beat it. That's why there was only one there. All right, so that is the end of the haul. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of Homegoods as well as the small haul. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. That does a lot to help my channel, and I really would appreciate it. Please also be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed, the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.